Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English 360. If you want to speak English naturally and confidently in real life, you are in the right place.
Hey guys, I'm Jack, and I'm so happy you're here today. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more fun English talks every week.
Yes, we love helping you practice English in everyday situations. So grab a cup of tea, sit back, and let's chat.
Today we're going to talk about something very important: health. How to talk about your health in English.
Right. We all get sick sometimes, or maybe we just feel tired or stressed. So it's good to know how to talk about it in English.
Exactly. You might need to visit a doctor or tell your friend, I'm not feeling well. Simple sentences can really help.
Jack, when was the last time you got sick? Be honest.
Oh no, don't remind me. It was just last month. I caught a bad cold. My nose was running, my throat was sore, and I sounded like a frog. Ribbit.
A frog? That must have been funny. Did you take any medicine?
Yes, I did. I drank hot tea with honey, took some rest, and stayed in bed for 2 days. I didn't go to work because I didn't want to spread the cold.
That's smart. Rest is really important when you're sick.
What about you, Emma? When was the last time you felt unwell?
Hmm, maybe 2 weeks ago. I had a little headache and felt very tired. I think I was working too much and not sleeping enough.
Oh, that happens to me too. Sometimes we just need more sleep and water.
True. Sleep, water, and healthy food. The magic three.
Yes. And speaking of healthy food, do you eat fruits every day?
I try to. I love apples and bananas, but sometimes I forget and eat cookies instead.
Cookies are healthy for the heart, at least for the happy heart.
Ha ha, that's a good one. But seriously, eating fruits and vegetables helps a lot.
Yes, and also drinking enough water. Many people forget that. When I drink more water, I feel better and more energetic.
Same here. So today we'll talk about how to describe your health, how to say you're sick, and what to say when visiting a doctor.
That's right. We'll also learn some simple and useful phrases like I have a headache or I don't feel well today.
Perfect. Let's start with some easy ways to say how you feel. For example, Jack, how would you say you feel good?
I'd say I feel great or I'm healthy and happy.
Nice. And if you don't feel good, you can say, I feel sick, or I'm not feeling well.
That's easy and useful. You don't need big words to talk about health, just short, clear phrases.
Okay. Jack, now let's talk about common health problems. What is the first thing that comes to your mind?
Hmm, I think cold is very common. Everyone catches a cold sometimes.
Yes, a cold is easy to describe in English. You can say, I have a cold, or I am sneezing a lot.
Right. And also, my nose is running or I have a sore throat. Simple phrases, very useful.
Exactly. What about fever? Do you know how to say it in English?
Yes, you can say, I have a fever or my body is hot. Sometimes I add, I feel weak.
Perfect. And if someone asks, what's wrong? You can answer with these phrases.
True. Another common problem is stomach ache. I hate it when my stomach hurts.
You can say, I have a stomach ache, girl, or my stomach hurts. And if it's very bad, I feel very sick.
Great. And don't forget headache. I have a headache is very common, or my head hurts.
Yes, headaches are very common too. So now, if you go to the doctor, what can you say first?
Hmm. I think, hello, doctor, I'm not feeling well. Or I have a cold and a sore throat.
Perfect. You can also say, I have a fever or I have a stomach ache. Doctors will understand very easily.
And if the doctor asks, how long have you felt this way? You can answer for 2 days or since yesterday.
Exactly. Simple answers are enough. No need to make long sentences.
And if the doctor gives medicine, you can say, "Thank you, I will take it." Or, "How many times a day should I take it?"
Very important question. You don't want to take too much medicine by mistake.
True. And if you feel better later, you can say, "Thank you, doctor. I feel better now."
Perfect. See? Talking about health in English is not difficult. You just need simple phrases and practice.
Right. And remember, always drink water, sleep well, and eat healthy food. That helps prevent many health problems.
Yes, prevention is better than cure. And if you do get sick, you already know what to say in English.
Exactly. And don't worry, everyone makes mistakes when learning English. The important thing is to practice and speak naturally.
Okay, Jack, now let's talk about healthy habits. What do you do to stay healthy?
Hmm. I try to eat vegetables and fruits every day, and I drink lots of water. What about you?
I also eat healthy food, but I like to walk every morning. Even 10 minutes of walking makes me feel good.
That's great. I try to exercise too, but sometimes I just feel lazy.
Ha ha, me too. But even small exercises help, like stretching or walking to the shop.
True. And sleep is very important. I feel terrible if I don't sleep enough.
Yes, sleep is like magic. 7 to 8 hours every night keeps your body and mind strong.
And don't forget relaxing and having fun. Stress is bad for health.
Absolutely. I love listening to music or watching a funny video when I feel stressed.
Same here. Laughter is really good for your health.
Also, it's nice to check on friends and family. You can say, "How are you feeling today?" Or, "Are you okay?"
Yes? And if someone says, "I'm not feeling well," you can say, "I hope you feel better soon." Or, "Take care of yourself."
That's very kind and polite. These small phrases help you sound natural and friendly in English.
Right. And you can also talk about healthy food with friends. For example, "Do you like apples?" Or, "I love bananas."
Yes, small conversations about daily habits are perfect for practice. You learn words, phrases, and pronunciation.
And don't worry about mistakes. Everyone makes mistakes. Just keep talking and listening.
Exactly. English is like exercising your brain. The more you practice, the stronger you become.
I like that. Speaking English is like lifting weights for your brain.
Perfect. So let's remind our viewers some key phrases about health.
Yes, you can say, "I feel sick," "I have a cold," "I have a headache," or "I have a stomach ache."
And also, I feel tired, I don't feel well, I need rest. And I hope you feel better soon.
Very useful. Practice these phrases every day, and soon you will speak naturally about health in English.
Absolutely. Okay, in the next part, we'll talk about what to say when visiting a doctor and describing symptoms in simple English. Okay, Jack, now let's imagine we are at the doctor's office. I'll be the doctor, and you are the patient.
Okay, I'm ready. "Hello, doctor. I'm not feeling well."
Hello, Jack. Can you tell me what is wrong?
"Sure, I have a headache and a sore throat. I also feel very tired."
I see. How long have you felt this way?
"For 2 days. I tried resting, but I still feel weak."
Okay, do you have a fever?
"Yes, I think I have a slight fever. My body feels hot sometimes."
Thank you, Jack. I will give you some medicine for your symptoms. Take one pill in the morning and one in the evening
"Thank you, doctor. How long should I take the medicine?"
for 3 days. And remember to drink plenty of water and get enough sleep.
"Got it. Thank you for your help."
You're welcome. I hope you feel better soon.
"I will." This conversation really helps me practice English for real life situations.
Me too. And our viewers can use these phrases when they feel sick or visit a doctor.
That's right. And don't forget to drink water, eat healthy, sleep well, and exercise a little every day.
Absolutely. And the most important thing is to practice English every day.
Yes, little by little, you will speak more naturally and confidently.
All right, friends, that's all for today's chat about health in English. We hope you learned some useful phrases and had fun with us.
Thank you for listening. Like this chat? Subscribe for more fun English talks.
Yes. And check out our other videos to practice daily conversations in English. See you next time on Everyday English 360.